Tired of time tracking chaos? As a Clockify admin, you're the superhero who brings order and efficiency to your team's time management. First, accessing the admin panel is key. Look for the admin button typically located in the main navigation menu. After logging in, click here, and you'll be greeted with your admin dashboard, which provides an overview of your workspace. Now, let's manage users. This section allows you to invite new team members, assign roles such as user or admin, and control their access to different features. Within Clockify, you can also edit user profiles to update their information or deactivate accounts if needed. Next up, project setup. Navigate to the projects section to create new projects and define their parameters. You can assign specific team members to each project, set hourly rates, and define project budgets. This ensures accurate time tracking and cost allocation. Let's dive into reporting. As an admin, you have access to detailed time tracking reports. You can filter data by user, project, date range, and more to gain valuable insights into your team's productivity and project progress. Export these reports in various formats for further analysis. Finally, explore the configuration options in the settings section. You can customize Clockify to match your organization's specific needs. This includes setting up required fields, managing tags, configuring time rounding, and setting up approvals. Tailoring these settings will streamline the time tracking process for your entire team and ensure accurate data collection.